We're talking to you from the summit,
Yeah,
and it is such a beautiful trek. And this has been
best
termed as a winter trek,
best winter trek actually.
correct? And I suggest that all of you please do choose Kedar Kanta trek during the month of November and December, and maybe January as well, when there's a lot of snow. And the beauty of the nature is highlighted in this trek. I have done various other trek, but the beauty has come out in this trek. Also, if you see, one question must be running in your minds. As in, during the time of COVID, is this safe?
Yeah,
Would
actually
that be a
people think
correct
that
would that be a correct decision to come on a trek? Frankly speaking, as a
no,
fellow trekker, I am stating that there's nothing to worry.
no
Nothing
need
to
to
worry.
worry. Team is taking really good care. They've taken all safety measures. They've taken each and every step so accurately that we will not feel unsafe here in any point of time. It is really great.
And there's periodic checks. It is as per the, I think, more than the industry standards that a trek company has. And I should thank TTH from the bottom of my heart to give me this wonderful experience. There's one more question that's also running in your minds. Whether the lockdown has any impact on us trekkers.
Yes, definitely it has impact.
You could
We
see.
staying at home for so many months. I know everyone are bored, and maybe few people will be thinking that how can we go out and do something like this. It is really great. You have to come out of your place and just see what is there in the world. This is real beauty. This is real beauty. Like it is mesmerizing. Really mesmerizing.
In fact, lockdown did not challenge you or your body. This, after lockdown, challenges your body, your mind,
Yeah. To push yourself.
and your soul. That is very important because your soul gets freed when you come to these places. And trust me, guys, when I tell you that your soul is freed, it is freed.
It is not just trek, it is not just trekking or walking, hiking or whatever. You find yourself here. You leave all your laptops, network, mobile, everything. You start thinking about yourself. You start thinking about your life. You find yourself here. This is really amazing. Beautiful.
And last but not the least, I would really thank the TTH team and the group, TTH group, that my fellow participants, fellow trekkers have played a humongous role. In fact, our trek leader actually was so flamboyant, he gave us an option that you can go for the summit during the time of sunrise, or you could see you can have a leisure climb. In fact, he was so accommodative. We told him that
He
no.
was concerned about our health also actually.
Yes, yes. And in fact, he gave us the option to choose, and we chose the tough, challenging task. And without any regret, he stood by us. Actually,
This,
both
yeah.
of them stood by us. One in the front and one at the back, and sometimes in the between. And they made us climb
And
this
this is our first
peak.
winter trek with the snow, everything. We felt really
Beautiful.
hard climbing, but they helped us so much that we could do this summit.
And also
We
our
are
fellow
so
trekkers.
happy. We are so happy that
It
we
is
did
more
this.
like a family. Only family gets another family's back, and
Yeah.
this is exactly what we have. Thank you so much from the bottom of our hearts.
Thank you, TTH. Really, this is our third trek with TTH. We are very happy. We really love the way they treat us every time. The food they give, the care that they take in each and every part of the trek or journey. It is just amazing.
Thank you.
Thank you.